Welcome to our instructional video on tanning tapes and their essential role in perfecting your tanning technique. Let's dive in. Tape is your secret weapon for creating precise lines and patterns during the tanning process, ensuring a flawless end result. There aren't several types of tanning tapes available, specific to bikini designs for tanning. Choosing high-quality, skin-safe tapes is key to optimal results and customer satisfaction. Look for tapes that are flexible, strong, and gentle on the skin. These features will help you achieve clean lines and patterns without any hassle. In our case, we not only meet the requirements, but we also have the largest ones on the market and easy to handle when working. Master the art of applying tanning tape with precision. Learn how to effectively fix the tape on different areas of the body to obtain the desired tanning patterns. In our online course, we teach using the tape when designing the bikinis on the client's body, but in case you have not done any training with us, we make two recommendations. Stretch enough, but not too much to avoid damaging the product. Manipulate and customize your tanning tape to create unique designs with completely clean and dry skin to prevent shifting during the tanning process. Prioritize safety by patch testing and monitoring people with sensitive skin or allergies. Our tapes are manufactured with special attention to avoid irritation. Although we have not had any cases of signs of irritation, we recommend taking special care when removing the product from the client's skin, and in the event that the client goes home with the tape, explaining how to do it. After your tanning session, gently remove the tanning tape using proper techniques. You can gradually remove it from the skin. Never use any product to remove tape when you have an airbrush tan. So that the application of the tape and the tanning result are as expected, remember to inform the client to prepare their skin and keep it free of products. Last but not least, remember, tanning strips are for professional use. We do not recommend using them at home without prior knowledge. Improper use of this product is your responsibility. This product should not be used without proper training from a professional specialized in the tape tanning technique. For information about our tanning tape training, please contact us on WhatsApp. By mastering the use of tanning tape, you can enhance your tape tanning experience and achieve amazing results. Remember, attention to detail and safety are key. Thank you for joining us on this journey with tanning tape. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your tape tanning skills on our YouTube channel, Brazilian Tape Tanning. Happy tan!